Introducing the MATCH HSW15TSCEX, hydraulic integrated flange spreader with ATEX certification. An all-in-one durable and safe tool designed to be used in potentially explosive atmospheres. Remember, safety comes first. Therefore, before use, put on appropriate personal protective equipment. Gloves, goggles, protective clothing. Before starting work with the tool, make sure that the flange connection matches the parameters of the HSW15TSCEX. The flanges can withstand the maximum opening force, are not damaged, and there is a minimum of 6 millimeters clearance between the flanges. Then, check the tool and all its components to ensure they are in good working condition. Visually inspect the jaws and body of the tool before starting to separate the flanges for the safety of the operator and precision of work. Leave at least 2 bolts opposite each other in the flange connection. This will prevent the flange from moving uncontrollably during opening. Depending on the work being performed, we recommend using as many spreaders as necessary to achieve even pressure and maintain safety. Make sure to secure the return valve in the clockwise direction, closed position. Also note that the air vent is not blocked in any way. An obstruction will cause a vacuum within the system, and the wedge will not move forward. Attach the tool to a stable point with a safety strap. This will prevent the tool from being accidentally dropped. Screw on the handle. When all done preparing, insert the jaws of the tool. It is very important that the jaws are inserted completely between the flange surfaces, and that the tool is perpendicular to the flange, not at an angle. Incorrect positioning of the tool may result in damage to the tool or danger to the operator. Never put your fingers between the flanges. When everything is ready, slowly increase the pressure while controlling the opening of the flange. There might be time when the flange opening is too big. That's when you use match-stepped blocks. Once attached to the jaw, enables the tool to be used in wider flange joints and reduce the wedge extension, thus avoiding clashes with components such as valves or gaskets, or the tool being pushed out of the flange joint. Back to our maintenance. Once the desired opening has been achieved, insert the safety block into the gap. Open the pump valve by turning it anti-clockwise, slowly relieving the pressure on the tool and transferring it to the safety block. The spreader can now be safely removed. If necessary, the HSW15TSCEX can now be inserted into the next step to open the joint wider, repeating the previous step. After completing maintenance or installation work, all steps should be performed in reverse order. Remembering to close the flanges evenly and control the pressure. Good job. Now you know how to use MATCH hydraulic integrated flange spreader. Safety match tools are best tools.